What if I told you your building had a battery flowing through its very own pipes? What if an entire city could stay lit during a blackout, powered by a strange, glowing liquid coursing beneath the streets? This isn't science fiction. This is the future of energy, and it's happening right now. Renewable energy, like solar and wind, has one massive Achilles heel. When the sun sets or the wind dies down, the power disappears. Our grids struggle to store this energy efficiently, leading to blackouts and wasted potential. We see it all the time. Solar panels become useless at night, and our dependence on an aging, fragile power grid leaves us vulnerable. What we've needed is a revolutionary way to store that green energy, something that can last for days, weeks, or even months, and now, we might finally have it. Deep inside a lab in France, researchers at the CNRS have done what many thought was impossible. They've created a functional liquid battery system, also known as a flow battery, capable of storing enough energy to power entire buildings for days on end. This isn't some small-scale experiment. This is a technology poised to completely disrupt how our cities are powered. Forget everything you know about traditional batteries. This changes the game. So how does it actually work? Imagine two large tanks filled with special liquid chemicals, an analyte and a catholyte. These liquids hold the energy. When you need power, you simply pump these liquids from their tanks into a central stack. Inside this stack, they flow past a special membrane that separates them. As they interact across this membrane, they exchange ions, generating an electric current. It's an elegantly simple concept. Pump the liquid, generate electricity. To recharge, you just reverse the process, pumping electricity back in to restore the liquid's chemical energy. Now, why is this so much better than the lithium-ion batteries in our phones and cars? The biggest reason is lifespan. Solid batteries, like lithium-ion, degrade over time. With every charge and discharge cycle, their capacity shrinks. After a few years, they need to be replaced. But liquid batteries are different. Because the energy-storing chemicals are held in separate tanks, they barely age at all. We're talking about a lifespan of 25 years or more, with almost no degradation in performance. And the best part, scalability. With a solid battery, if you want more energy, you need a bigger, more complex battery unit. With a liquid battery, it's ridiculously simple. You just need bigger tanks and more liquid. The power output and the energy capacity are decoupled. This means you can design a system for a single home, an entire apartment complex, a massive skyscraper, or even a whole city district by storing the liquid in vast underground reservoirs. The potential is practically infinite, but it gets even better. Let's talk about safety and materials. Lithium batteries can be flammable and are a fire risk. These new flow batteries are primarily water-based and non-flammable, making them incredibly safe to install in the basements of residential buildings. Plus, unlike lithium, cobalt, and other rare metals that require destructive mining, these new liquid batteries can be made from abundant, earth-friendly materials like iron, zinc, or even organic compounds. It's a safer, cleaner, and more sustainable solution. This isn't just a theory locked away in a lab. The technology is already being deployed and tested in the real world. In several regions across France, social housing projects are being retrofitted with these liquid battery systems. They are storing solar energy generated during the day and using it to power apartments throughout the night, proving the concept works on a community scale. Imagine a future where every building is its own power plant, completely energy independent. Cities could have massive underground reservoirs of this energy, liquid, creating a decentralized, resilient power grid that's immune to blackouts. Skyscrapers could store weeks' worth of power in their basements. This technology could make our transition to 100% renewable energy not just possible, but practical. The question is, would you trust liquid power? Would you live in a building powered by this incredible technology? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you want to stay ahead of the future, make sure you subscribe for more.